Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know like how you can control the brightness of a LED with the help of Raspberry Pi. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and let's just start with the connection part. So firstly, I'll put this plus in the like you can see this is the GPIO 17 11th number GPIO 17. So I'll just plug one in the GPIO 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, sixth pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I have plugged in the GPIO 17th pin and I'll just put it here. Now current will flow from here to here. Now I'll need a resistor to like slow down the voltage, low down. So I usually use like 220 ohm resistor and 300 ohm. Like your resistor should like near about 200 to 300. So yeah, so let's just plug the resistor. Okay, hole is very tight. Let me make it bit deeper. Yeah, now it will fit correctly. Okay, now I'll just put the bigger leg of the LED here. Uh, yeah, okay. I have put this wire into pin 17 and it's coming from here, going from resistor to this line and from this bigger leg to this line. You can see now I'll put the ground pin like the third pin, like the one, two, three, the number sixth or the third pin. I'll put the ground pin. I'll just put it here. Yeah, so now it's taking the ground from here to here, then here. So let's just start with the coding. So we'll say from GPIO 0 import PWM LED. Now from time import sleep. What sleep does like stops your program for a second. So like if you want, then we'll say LED equals to PWM LED, and our pin is like we have plugged in the pin 17 GPIO 17, so we'll write 17 and we'll say while true LED dot value equal to 1. So in PWM LED the maximum value is 1 and the minimum like basically it start from 0 0.0 0.1 to 1, but yeah you can like give it 0 or 0.001. So and the max value it is 1. So basically if you will give 1, the LED will like glow with the brightest and the lesser amount of voltage value will results in dimmer glow. So let's just show you with the LED dot value 1, Python 3. See the LED is glowing very good. Now just change it to 0.1. Now just save it. Now it's very dim. So okay, so now we'll just make it dim and low again and again. LED dot value equals to 0.13, so we can see the changes. 0.5, 1, sleep 0.5. So you'll say the LED will glow light and dim slowly. Yeah. See, it's going very dim, like it's going like high, dim, high, dim, high, dim. So let me just make a list, and I still list equals to 0.1, comma 0.2, comma 0.3, comma 0.4, comma 0.5, comma 0.6, comma 0.7, comma 0.8, comma 0.9, comma 1. So I loop into this for, let me just delete it, for I in list LED dot value equals to I. So it will come 0.1 and will increase the LED values, like it will grow brighter. So let's just save it. It's like doing so fast we can't even like watch from my eyes like what's going on. So we'll just like make a sleep here. Sleep. Yeah. Now we'll again turn it. So you can see it's slowly glowing, 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 glowing. Then very dim, then glowing, 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 glowing. Then very dim, glowing, 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 glowing. Was again very dim. So like this you can like control LED values. So let me show you with one more LED. Like if you have two LEDs, so what you'll do, you'll like um, take one more jumper wire, and where it goes, pin it to GPIO pin 27 just after 17th. Put it in here just after pin 17th, and I like do this. And for this also one resistor. Yeah, I think the hole is very tight. I again have to like make it deeper. Yeah. Okay, now I will just now pin the LED. So no, longer leg towards the resistor, the smaller leg on the ground. Yeah. So you can see we have the same connection, and the ground we can for the LEDs we can have the same ground only, so we don't have to like plug in the other ones. So you can see also ground are so less. That's the only reason we can have the same ground for the same type of devices. So it's coming here and the ground is same. So now just make LED number is like 27. So we'll just make 27. Same thing. And let me just delete it. LED dot value equals to 1. LED dot value equals to 1. Okay. We'll just glow both of them at very high frequency. Oh, but what happened? The only one bulb is glowing. So what we did, like we did, she saved the 17 pin in the LED variable. Then we again overwritten it by 27th pin on the LED variable. So this is the 27th pin. So that's the problem. So we'll make it like LED 1. So here if we do this LED 1, we'll be like, okay. Then again we'll run it. See, now it's glowing all of them. Now let me just do something. 0.5, 1, 3, 0.5. We're just making it like dim, 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 dim. You'll know. See this glowing, this. No, that's what I'm doing. It's glowing. Like you can see the code and you can know what I'm doing. Like glowing one, then keeping other down. Okay, this. So one thing you have noticed, I think, see the code has become so much messy. I mean, like if you have 100, not 100, like about five LED pins, so the code will go longer. So to overcome that problem, we have a different solution. So let me just connect one more LED and show you how to control it just for one line of code. So I'll just make the same connection. Now I'll just plug now the new connection in the pin number 22 just after 27. Okay, now the resistor time. Now plugging in the resistor. So now the resistor has been plugged. Now the LED, where is the LED? Yeah. Putting the longer leg, then the shorter leg. Okay, now it's done. So for that, let me just delete all of this. We'll say from GPIO 0 import LED code. Yeah, from time input sleep. So we'll say LEDs, LEDBOARD board. So what are the pin numbers in which LEDs are connected? 17, 27, and 22. Yeah. So we'll say 17, comma 27, comma 22. Then we'll start the for while loop, while 2 LEDs dot on. So it will on the all LEDs at once. See? Now make it on off, LEDs dot off. See? But our eyes can't see like when it's switching off because it's very fast. So make it sleep. Yeah. Now just run it again. Let me just clear the screen. What? Oh, sorry. See, now it's looking so good. So we can control their, what do you call, PWM, like the voltage supplied. So we'll do PWM equals to 2, and here we'll do LEDs dot value, and we'll say for the 17th we want 0.1, and for this we want 0.5 on, and for the 22 we want 1. and we'll just save it. Oh, sorry. It will be equal to, I just forgot. Yeah. See, this one is the dimmest, like because I have supplied 0.1, and this one little brighter than that, it because I have supplied 0.5, and this is one because I have supplied the full potential. So let me just keep changing the value interchangeably, so it will just look nicer. Sleep, because we have to make them sleep also. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, and this will make it 1, then 0.1, then 0.5, and here we'll make it 0.1, 1, and 0.5. Just changing the values. So you can see how they are like changing their like brightness level. You can easily see. That looks cool. So yeah, so if you like the video, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.